So first of all, open your game in Roblox Studio. Once you are in Roblox Studio, you have to select the Home tab and activate Explorer, Properties and Toolbox. Now come to this toolbox and click this search option and type here admin and select admin in models. And as a search results here, you will find HD admin. So just install the HD admins in your game. And here we can see the admin panel update. Once the HD admin successfully added to your game, come to this Explorer section and open HD admin. And here you have to open the settings by double clicking. In this settings, here you will find the ranks. So we can see the owner rank, head admin rank, admin, mod, VIP, and non-admin. And now from this rank section, you can easily add someone as owner, as head admin, admin, mod, VIP, or non-admin. So let's add a head admin. So we have to add the Roblox account username between these quotation marks. So go to your browser and just navigate to the account profile, and you have to copy the Roblox account username from here just like this, and then go back to your Roblox Studio and let's add the Roblox account username in here. That's how you can make someone admin, mod, VIP. Just enter here their account username. Now let's test our game. Once you are in your Roblox game, you have to wait some times and then this HD admin will appear. Just click on that. And then you get this dashboard for commands, moderation, revenue, and settings. So let's go to commands panel. And now as you can see here, we have the admin commands for the game. So that's how we can actually add admin commands in our Roblox Studio. Thanks for watching.